Assalamu alaikum. This is Noman. Uh, Today we receive a card in which it was a advanced treadmill card, and the problem we were facing was first of all we were receiving the error 7 here, and after that the display of this card was very dim. So, and the commands from here were not receiving to receive by this card. So what I've done here, I checked out the display first, and in display these all ICs were okay, good. I've changed some of these non-polar capacitors, and I've changed all these 8 transistors and some of the resistance here. So after that, when I was just starting the board was lighted up very with a good intensity, but still when the press button is started, then our motor is not in a running mode. So after that I checked this card and find number of faulty SMDs here. I removed the optocoupler and also removed this power IC top 222. So I've changed all these things, and after changing these things, my card is now running and error was removed. So here I'm pressing the start button to see this good intensity. You see the bulb is on lighter mode. So this was the issue, and if you ever face any kind of this kind of issue, then you can contact us, because this was a bit tricky, because we sometimes see that there are very less chances that the display of our terminal is not working. So this time the main culprit was the display and also the card. Now it is running. I am giving pulses here, and here we see VCs. This is because of incline, and I don't have incline right now. So this was today video. If you face any issue in your repairing, please contact me. Thank you.